Hello, my name is Arturas Stonys. I have been working with AutoHotKey for 3 years. Today I will show you an example of AutoHotKey tool which interacts with the web applications. It will be Internet Explorer applications which works best with AutoHotKey. So we have two web pages with content about all things this week, now playing movies and coming soon movies here. So we see in each block we have items, uh, movies names, which we need to get in our AutoHot tool. Later on, we'll do a search in Wikipedia using movies name. And if we found something in Wikipedia, particularly uh, this block with the details about the film, we will take information about the language of the film, running time, steering in the film, and who directed the film. So that's our task, which AutoHotKey needs to do. So let's close this window and let's run our AutoHotKey tool. Yes, after we have run that tool, we see that three folders was created because they was not created before. So AutoHotkey checks if the folder exists. If not exist, it creates the folder together with the subfolder, which is named by date. So tomorrow, the new folder with tomorrow's date will be created here too. In those folders, we will store information which we will gather with our AutoHotkey. So let's run the tool and click the hotkey, and we see a pop-up window appeared that the tool is gathering information from IMDb. And yes, the new pop-up window appeared with the whole information and the other actions we can do from that graphic user interface. So AutoHotkey have ability to create graphic user interface where we can store information or create forms where user can put some information which will be used later on. It's very helpful, very handy. So we have all those films placed in our uh, graphic user interface, and let's check in Wikipedia what we can find about Incredibles 2. So by clicking that button, yeah, we send a command to the Wikipedia, and yeah, we have find information about that film. Uh, the tool took only those four elements. It's directed by, steering, language, and running time of the film. It's everything we need to get from that film. So, okay, we see that there is information about that film, and we can create a ladder using that information. So we have created a Word document right here and stored the information about the movie Incredibles 2, who directed it, who steering, language, running time, when we did the search in Wikipedia, timelines here too. So we have two options. Do we want to save that file or not? If we yes, the file disappeared, but actually it was saved in a single folder in our folder. And you see that Word document got movie's name and the timelines when it was created as its unique name. So the Word document was saved, and so we gather it information and save it in Word document. But can do a search through all the films, which will actually save a lot of time for us because if you do manually, it will definitely take a time to do those 18 searches in Wikipedia, find that information about who's staring in the film and so on, and copy paste it, create a new word ladder, and so on. So in those scenarios, AutoHotKey is very helpful. So let's mark that we want to get only those films which we have found it in Wikipedia, and let's start the search. Okay, it can take a while, maybe 30 seconds, do the searches and create a ladder, but those 30 seconds is much better than maybe 30 minutes for manual work. Okay, we see that tool is creating Word document, and yeah, we have found 8 films in Wikipedia, also timelines, and yeah, those films was placed in the our Word document, item number, first movie, second movie, third one, and so on. And all information was placed here too. As you see that it happened that we have found information about who directed the film, who is steering, running time, but there was no information about the language. So in this particular case, if there is no information about the language, we can put some text, standard text, like I know according to Wikipedia what is the language of the movie. And yeah, we can also save the file, and the file was saved under the list folder and subfolder. We can find it right here. And we can do another action in that EMDB assistant. Let's say we can search for the actor in all those 18 movies we have right here. So let's say I'm a big fan of Chris Pratt, and I want to know, does the Chris Pratt act in some of those movies? Okay, so I put actor's name and surname, do a search, and let's see what the tool will have, what will tool will find. Okay, it can take a couple seconds to get information, but we see that a Word document is greeting, and yeah, that's the information. List with Chris Pratt. 2 films was founded. It is Avengers: Infinity War and Jurassic World: Fallen Kingdom. So I got information about Chris Pratt and the movies from Wikipedia, according to Wikipedia. Okay, I can also save that file, and yeah, that's was it for today. I hope you liked my MDB assistant. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.